What's up everyone? In today's video I'm going to show you the top 4 things that are profitable that you can buy and resell in your area and basically your local community. The goal of this video is to show you how easily it is to start making little extra of money for yourself, or even more than that, but that really depends on how invested you are in this. And at the end, you can use this extra money that you are making and invest it into your dropshipping business. Since it doesn't take that much time of your day in order to start making around $100 a day from this method that I'm going to talk about. Number 1 is shoes. I've seen some of my friends and even my little brother buy and resell shoes since he's only 17 and can't start his dropshipping business yet. And you already know how much shoes go for right now, so that means they are profitable. For example, if you know when shoes such as Jordan are dropping, you can buy them when they do and you can resell those shoes for 4x the price that you basically buy. And that's because those shoes are limited and they are so hard to get your hands around. So that means if you buy only one of these pairs per month, that's extra $2,000 or $3,000. Very simple and very easy if you really put your mind into it. Number 2 is cars. Now in this one I have lots of experience since I did this from the beginning myself back when I was 18 years old. First car I ever bought was a 2004 Volkswagen Polo, and I got the money for that car from working in a restaurant for a couple of months. I sold my Polo for $6,000 and the price that I bought was for only $4,000, so that gave me a $2,000 profit. And that was a huge amount of money for me. I will never forget it. Seeing around $6,000 sitting in my bank account felt great. So I recommend you definitely to do this process. It's really not as hard as it seems. Basically, cars that cost under $10,000 get flipped all the time in the market. So it should be pretty easy to buy a car, enjoy it for a while, and then resell the car for extra $1,000. Number 3 is Apple products. The reason I chose Apple products is if you look up used iPhones for sales, you're going to see a huge demand and search volume for it. Plus, there is tons of Facebook group that people use in order to sell their digital products that you can use to resell your Apple products. Personally, when I was 17, I bought around 100 AirPods from Alibaba and the cost was around $37 per unit. And I sold them in Facebook groups that were for reselling Apple products and the website called Blocket, which is Sweden's largest trading platform. I sold all of the 100 units after 2-3 months for anywhere from $84 to $190, and that was depending on the buyers, of course, since to some of them I could sell it for more. So that means I invested $3,700 into buying these 100 units of AirPods, and if we say the average order value was around $85, that would be around $8,500 in sales, which left me with $4,800 in profit. Needless to say, it takes lots of back and forth with the customer and lots of time basically talking, but at the end it was worth it since I made a lot of money with it. Now number 4 is the used furniture. The first thing you can do is go to the Facebook marketplace or thrift stores, and this is how you can find your inventory. Secondly is you try to buy it as a free item on a Facebook marketplace in the free section, looking for a couches sectionals, and then relist them, flipping them back on the Facebook marketplace. And you may wonder, how does this work? That's because people are getting new furniture and they either can't sell the furniture they have or they don't even care, so they just want to get rid of them. Now if you can identify and find a good item to resell, go ahead and pick it up using a trailer, truck, or call your friend and go pick up the furniture and then go relist it back on Facebook to make money. Some of these items are reselling for $3,000 to $6,000, especially if they are quality letter sectionals. So if you can buy those for free, even better, but if you cannot do that, then you can pay the price for that furniture and then flip them for 4x the original price that you bought it for. And that's a 4th option for you guys. So after you find the best option that suits you and your situation, I want you to start doing this, guys, basically every day to earn extra amount of money, right? That will be around like $5,000-$6,000 easily monthly extra, only from these options that I just provided for you, and then you can reinvest that money into a dropshipping business and grow yourself and the brand. This is it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please smash the like button and let me know what video you want me to make for you guys. Peace.